Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Juna Louise Alaba, and today we will talk about the union and intersection of sets. First, we will have the union of sets. Now, I am not going to give the definition right away because we will make our own little by little. I'll show you first two examples of the union of sets, and what you are going to do is to observe the pattern on how union of sets is done. Clear? So these are the two examples. Here in example number 1, we have set A and set B, and this is the answer for A union B. We have here in example number 2, set C and set D. And once we get C union D, we will have this answer. Now, with these two examples, what did you observe? I'll give you 10 seconds for that, or you may pause the video to give you more time. Time's up. Let's see. All elements of both sets are combined. For example, here in number 1, we have set A with an elements of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and set B with an elements of 0, 3, 6, 9, 12. Once we get A union B, we will have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, and 12. So all the elements of sets A and B are combined. Now, in terms of the order on how they arrange the elements, the list of orders is in ascending order, which is from least to greatest. Also, if an element is in both sets, we list it only once. For example, here in number 2, set C and set D have a common element of 4 and 8, but we list it only once. Now, let's define the union of sets. The union of sets A and B, written A union B, is the set of all elements that are in A or in B or in both A and B. To make you understand it more, we will have another example. So example number 3, this is their given sets and elements. Let's draw a Venn diagram in order to show the relationships of two sets. So this is set A and set B. First, we will get their common elements. As you can see, they have 4 as their common element. So we will put it in the middle, and the rest of the elements of set A should be here and also in set B in the right side. Now, this shaded region represents A union B. So our A union B is 3, 4, 5, 7, and 8. Now, let's discuss the intersection of sets. Just like what we did earlier, I want you to observe the pattern of these two examples on how they get the answer, and I'll give you 10 seconds, or you may pause the video to give you more time. Time's up. Now, what did you observe? So the common elements of both sets are combined. As you can see here in example number 1, the common elements of set A and B is 3. So our A intersection B is 3. In example number 2, they only have 4 and 8 as their common elements. So C intersection D is 4 and 8. In terms of arrangement, it is still in ascending order. And whether both sets have the same elements, we list it only once. Now let's get to the definition. The intersection of set A and set B, written A intersection B, is the set containing the elements that are in both A and B. Let's have another example. These are the given sets A and B and their elements. Now let's draw a Venn diagram in order to show the relationship of two sets. First, we will get the common element, which is 4. We will put it in the middle, and for the rest of the elements of set A should be in the left side, and for set B on the right side. Now this shaded region represents A intersection B. So A intersection B is 4. Now it's your turn to answer. Given these sets A, B, and C, find A union B, A intersection C, B intersection C, and B union C. I'll give you 10 seconds, or you may pause the video if you want to give you more time. Now let's answer the given problem. This is the answer for A union B. To get this answer, we will just have to combine the sets A and B. So we will have 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and 11. For A intersection C, we will just get the common elements of set A and set C. So their common elements is 8. For B intersection C, we will have to get the common elements of set B and set C. As you can see, there are no common elements of sets B and C. Our answer for it is an empty set or a null set. For B union C, we will just have to combine all of the elements of set B and set C. So we will get 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 11, and 12. So that's the end of our video lesson for union and intersection of sets. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. Bye!